So today I want to touch on the acronym BRAINS, which is an acronym that is used during childbirth to make informed decisions. So when you're meeting with your care provider, that could be your midwife, your gynecologist, or your obstetrician, and you want to talk about what your wants and needs are, you can always put out questions. You can always ask questions so that whatever decision it is that you say yes to, you know you are informed about that yes. So brains, as in B-R-A-I-N without the S. I've got used to saying brains so much. But it's actually brain, B-R-A-I-N. Now the B stands for benefits. So you want to make sure that whatever it is that they are telling you, they are also explaining the benefit of that suggestion. So yeah, what are the benefits of what you're suggesting to me? How will that help me to get to my end result of what it is that I'm hoping for, okay? The R stands for risks. You also want to ask what the risks are with whatever it is that you're being suggested to, okay? Because everything has a benefit and a risk. The A stands for alternative. Is there another suggestion or an alternative to what you're offering me that we should know about before we decide yes or no to your offering, okay? The I stands for intuition. What are your own intuitions telling you? What is your gut feeling telling you as a mother? And what is your gut feeling telling you as a father or as a couple? What are your gut feelings? And always go with how it is that you feel. You might question it, but if you're in doubt, don't decide. I always say, if you're not sure, don't go for the yes, because you want to get them off your face, which happens quite a lot, I've seen, right? And the N stands for nothing. What will happen if we don't decide anything? Where do we go from not saying yes or no? What happens next? Okay, so that is the acronym BRAIN, and you want to use it in your birth preparation sessions with your midwife or your gynecologist, just to have a feel of a little bit of control, that you are at least informed of your choices, okay? I'm going to leave it here because there's going to be more coming, and I'll catch you up on the next one. Thank you. Bye.